Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Chromebook's model and exact part number. This matters because touch hardware is model-specific. Once done, order an OEM or verified compatible touchscreen/digitizer assembly and get basic hardware tools: precision screwdrivers, spudger, and ESD mat. Make sure to back up data and discharge static. Then power down, unplug, and remove external devices. Next, remove the back cover carefully and disconnect the internal battery before touching the screen connect. Now you remove the bezel and unscrew the existing display while keeping screws organized. This prevents fit errors when reassembling. Once exposed, disconnect the display and digitizer cables and compare the new assembly's connectors to verify compatibility. Carefully seat the new digitizer cable into its ZIF or latch, lock it, and align the panel into the chassis so mounting holes line up. Make sure cables are routed cleanly. Then finger tighten screws and reattach the bezel so the screen sits flush. With the new assembly installed, reconnect the battery and boot your Chromebook. Open settings and test touch functions across the screen. If input is offset or inconsistent, run any available calibration utility or install firmware updates. This fixes mapping and latency issues. If the touchscreen is not detected, power off, reseat the digitizer cable, inspect for bent pins, and confirm the connector latch is fully closed. If problems persist, try a known good replacement cable or consult a parts specialist. Hardware compatibility is the usual culprit.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.